Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Starbucks gift card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To redeem your Starbucks gift card online, what you need to do is either you can head over to the Starbucks website or simply head over and launch the Starbucks app. And once you're inside, be sure to be logged in with the credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, on the bottom tab you will be seeing the gift tab. Simply tap on that. Now inside the gift card section, on the top you'll be seeing an option that says got a gift card, add it here. Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is input the 16-digit card number and the security code found on the back of the card. And once you have entered the number, simply click on add card to complete the process. Once added, the balance will appear in your account and you can use it for online purchases or in store by presenting the barcode. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.